Hi, this is Sandra. I want to introduce you to my flat green beans and potatoes. I call these green beans my company green beans that comes to dinner on Sunday or whenever I'm having a special occasion. I like to fix the green beans that's flat, and I used to get the Allen's green beans. The Allen's green beans is the green beans that has the Kentucky, oh me, I'm telling you, let me see, the Kentucky Wonder style. These are the green beans that makes a better green beans than any green beans I have used is the Allen. These green beans have a very good texture and it has a very good flavor, just like if you grow them in your garden. The way I do these green beans, I put them in canola oil. I do 2 cans of Allen's green beans. I say I put about maybe 1/4 cup of oil, black pepper and salt, and let them boil with onion. I use either red onion or green onion. And then what I do, I boil them for about 20 minutes, and then as they get that little greeny gravy in the beans, then I put hunks of potatoes in there, hunks of potatoes. And then we like our potatoes hunt. You can make yours a little smaller. And that's how we do these famous green beans. I just want to show you these nice, beautiful green beans with the potatoes. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and you get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net.